taste test. And I don't think I've ever had the original Pringles. But anyway, I ordered these from Walmart. We got delivery, not shipping this time. Good God, don't ever get the shipping. You will wake up to crumbs. I don't know. Anyway. I saw another flavor that they had. It was like French fries and ketchup flavor or something, and I kind of want to try it. Oh no. Yeah, it smells like what it's supposed to smell like. It's nice seeing it not busted. It just tastes like a potato chip. Oh. I don't know how I've never had the original, but I've had like a bunch of different flavors. And the Pringles is probably my favorite chips though. Like Pringles and Sun Chips. I like the best. Anyway. Yeah, they're good. They taste like potato chips. Not as salty as some other brands, but still, what you'd expect from Pringles. And like, let's go check this out.